today we're going to be doing a review on the Scout Trains Steam Excursion Water Tender. This is the Jim Adams, which is the one with the American flag, obviously. I mean, I've wanted this one for a long time, and knowing how freaking rare they are, I'm saying probably, for about a month in streams now, that I wanted to get an auxiliary. I didn't want to get another one, but no. Yeah, so the bearings do actually work on this one, so if I push it, let's see it roll. I mean, good detail. I think a piece broke off earlier when I just like touched it, just a little. I don't think so though. I thought I just saw something. I mean, ridiculously detailed. This is by the rivet counter, which is their second highest. It's the highest for rolling stock as of right now. So, got the. I didn't even realize these were toolboxes. Honestly, I've never even noticed that. You got water hatches. Water hatches, but usually for UP, I know they will fill up using the bottom, using like a pump truck to get water. Actually, the way it works, it goes through one of the bags. Yeah, so this is DC/DCC. DCC have functions. There isn't a lot. Let's see. There's like 4 functions, I think. Yeah, let's see. On the other side. There is 2 functions. So you have like set direction, and then there's a option for one. So I mean, so in DC, the light, whatever direction it's going, then that light will be on. So both of these are LEDs. They're both really bright. And also you got, I think it's not focused. I had it too. And the height of the water. Oh, the water. It looks like it's an electric thing. That's a hatch. Probably an access hatch. Which, I mean, I'm assuming there's probably, like, in prototypically there's a ladder in there, but yeah, well, they probably obviously didn't model that. The coder in there. But without further ado, let's get this on the tracks. Start off in reverse just so everyone can see the backlight. Yeah, flickers a little. Because at the lower voltages, it just doesn't work well. Alright, and then you can see it kind of glowing already. Come around. Yeah, you can see it just glowing. I was hoping to have a shot at the black one, but no. They got a lot more than last time. But overall, I mean, I'd like to get 2, at least. You know, Union Pacific has like 5 or 6 of them running around. Anyways, let's let it run around so you guys can get an idea on what this thing actually looks like. Running on DC. So all the views and stuff are DCC usually. But anyways, with that, I thank you guys all for watching, and until next time, goodbye.